What is up, guys, and welcome back. We are having a meme coin battle here in crypto. I want to talk about that in this video, as well as Dogecoin basically taking a back seat to this flux into the green, where we have seen this incredible month of February start to 2023 and this move into the green across the board for pretty much every single crypto. But Dogecoins have basically been taking a back seat to all of this action on the charts. So I want to talk to you guys about why this is possible, that we may be seeing a lot of people just waiting to pounce as it relates to Dogecoin, and whales are on the brink of moving. Okay, so that's what I'm having for you guys in this article. We're gonna go over some data, but first hit that subscribe button, join the channel, and let's get down to it. All right, if we look at Dogecoin basically moving on into February and into March, I want to talk a little bit about the price though real quick. If we look at Doge, it's important to note that it's following basically the rest of the markets, up 1.4% at the time of this recording, still trading at that 0.886 level, okay? So up 8% on the week, however, pretty much flat on the month, and it's down 25% on the year so far, okay? So that's what's going to be important, because in terms of catalysts and utility surrounding Dogecoin, it has been lagging compared to the rest of the markets. But we're going to get into why Dogecoin basically could be ready to pounce. All right. So when we talk about this uptrend that we are seeing across the board from cryptos, basically Dogecoin has taken that back seat. Okay. And it has basically been down 1.89% since this uptrend we are seeing across the broader market. All right. Now, Doge is still up 8.4% on week to date. And basically, as I said, it's just lagging in that catalyst across the board. And you can see with respect to its ecosystem activity, it's just not impressive in terms of the outlook. The protocol, the mechanism has really not shown any protocol or utility growth. And that is basically, I think, what is being a deterrent for some of the top holders. All right, now you're going to have your community of your hodlers that just basically say, I'm a Doge army, nothing can stop me now, and I have my wallet is locked up, and you're not going to touch my Dogecoin. Okay, now you're always going to have that. But when we're talking about whales, all right, when we're talking about the addresses that basically can move and shake a chart, the on-chain data is basically showing what they are doing, and just there has basically been stagnant activity on that front. And that dormancy, I think, is going to be kind of indicative of what could happen if this is a coordinated plan to buy the token in the mid to long term, with basically more addresses making their entry. It could be just that a strategic plan by some of the whales and some of these whale groups that work together, okay? And this commingling of ideas and strategy is seen in crypto, all right? Don't fool yourself as it relates to this. But when dormancy is existing with a crypto, we're seeing basically the trading volume is lower. However, this trading volume has soared 34.2% in the last 24 hours, okay? So that is going to be something that is very kind of speculative. However, it does raise one's eyebrow to why we're seeing a spike 34% in trading volume over the last 24. However, the basically the price of Dogecoin has really not had any action, okay? So that's what's important, and that's what we're going to be looking at as we look into the charts and break down the day-to-day. But this on-chain data basically showing that the Dogecoin addresses are higher today than any of the past week. That is kind of just wondering, is the army assembling? Are we forming something, and is there a plan in place where Dogecoin is ready to pounce, and we're going to see a huge spike for the mid to intermediate term, okay? So not financial advice. However, this is just my way of showing you guys what is going on with the markets as we look at the actual data and the numbers surrounding Dogecoin, okay? So you cannot ignore the trading volume spike as well as the addresses starting to build up, okay? Because that could be pointing and being very indicative of some suspicious activity going on with Doge, okay? So I'm going to have my eyes packed on Dogecoin. However, when we talk about what else is lagging behind Dogecoin, we are seeing a lot of the meme coins basically, and the dog meme coins, having some impact on the charts and kind of just following back and forth and having a war, if you will. The competition is real. Floki Inu is having probably the best 2023 out of all of them. And we're seeing basically the likes of Shiba Inu and bonk, although short-lived, kind of had a nice run there in the start of 2023. Okay, so it's real. The competition's real, and that's only healthy for Dogecoin, guys. You want to have more people talking about the meme coins. You want to have more attention drawn to Doge, and I think that's something that's going to be very crucial in 2023 as we look at kind of building off of not having any utility or development to their protocols, all right? So we need something to kind of drive Doge higher, and this hidden whale activity possibly could be what we need to maybe spike the charts in a way that would draw some more of the community to get active in trading Doge. So that's what I got for you guys. I'm looking forward to see what Doge can bring us in 2023. But thanks for watching this video, and hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so, and we'll see you all in the next video.